Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect to this Debian machine from a Kali Linux machine, and we'll be using RDP or XRDP to make the remote connection. I'm on the Debian machine, and what we need to do here is we need to verify that XRDP is installed and enabled. Let me open the terminal and let's take a look. Before you can install XRDP, you can do an update of your package repositories. You can say sudo update, put in your password. The next thing is to install XRDP. You can do sudo apt install XRDP. In my case, it's already installed. Next thing is to check the status of XRDP. You can say sudo systemctl status XRDP, and you want to make sure that it's active and running. Now, if it's not running, you can do sudo systemctl enable XRDP. This should enable it. If you want to start the services, you can do start XRDP. Now that we've verified that we have XRDP installed and running or active, we also need an IP address that's on this device. This is the IP we'll use on the Kali Linux device. We'll also need a username and a password. So to get the IP address, type in IP address, and the IP address is 172.16.102. Now that we have that information, we can go to the Kali Linux device. And what I'm going to do here, actually, I'm going to log out. And on the Kali Linux machine, we will be using a tool called Remina. This is the tool that's going to allow us to do the remote connection. Now let's open the terminal here. To install Remina, we'll do sudo apt install Remina, and it's already installed. Now you can check to verify that the remote device, which is the Debian device, make sure it's reachable. You can try and ping it, send 3 pings to 172.16.1.102, and the device is reachable. Next thing is to open Remina and then to go ahead and try the remote connection. Let's search for Remina here. Now, like I said, we are using RDP. We need to put the IP address here, 172.16.1.102. Press enter. Now you'll be prompted to put in a username and a password. Put in your username and then the password. This is the username and password for the Debian device. Click OK. Let's try again. We're able to connect, and as you can see, we are logged into the Debian device. The IP address is showing up here, and we're using Remina. You can adjust or scale the window here. So this, and there you are. We are remotely connected to the Debian device from the Kali Linux device. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Debian device from a Kali Linux device. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.